So this is how you do your staircase. So welcome as I take you through staircase design, staircase setting out, and this is how architect does it. There are so many types of staircase. We have the half turn, which is very common. We have L turn, which is not so common in other places. We have a straight staircase, and we have spiral staircase, among others. So for this particular project, we are going to have an L turn staircase with a twist. Because one thing we are going to do is that we'll set our staircase at a slightly at this height. So we'll have a one step, a platform that goes all the way, just to give it an illusion of space. And then from there, it's going to turn this way, go up to that section, and then turn again and goes all the way to the slab level. So this is how a staircase is set out. So in a normal staircase, this is called a riser, and this is called a trend. So this riser is the height of the from one step to the next one. So this trend is 300 millimeters. That is the standard recommended, and this riser is 150 millimeters. That is what is recommended. But for this particular one, because we have a higher ceiling height, which is 30-50, you need to do your calculations, not ceiling height, but slab level height. You need to do your calculation in order to see how many steps you need and how far you need the staircase to go. So if you have higher risers, the distance becomes slightly shorter in terms of how the staircase spreads. So for this particular one, we are going to do 160 millimeters for the risers, and also for the trend, we are going to do 280. So this 280 for the trend, and we are going to do a riser of 160 centimeters. So when you calculate, you'll get about 17 risers, 17 to 18 risers, and we are also going to get around 18 trends. So calculations, I've not done that yet, but this is it. So right now we've managed to set out the staircase. So this staircase, you step on this going up. But when you get to this corner, you're not going to have the normal straight landing. So for this particular one, we are going to have it as a twist. So that's why we call it an L turn. So this landing, the landing is after the steps where there's a bigger platform where you can rest and as you take the turn to the next one. So this particular one, we are going to do it as a L turn. So from this section to this section, we are going to have it like a triangle. So these steps will come straight, have this, then turn. So this helps us in achieving one more step, and this helps our staircase not to pull too much to eat too much into the slab space, because after the slab you also need another landing so that you can get into the upper rooms. So that's how you do the staircase, and on to the next one. We'll teach you more as we start setting the staircase.